In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods to iPhone 12 mini. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up AirPods on your iPhone 12 mini is extremely simple. You can do this by setting them up inside of the AirPods case, and you will be able to use them completely wirelessly as long as they are sufficiently charged. So to start, unbox your AirPods case and open the lid. With the AirPods still inside of the case, you will be able to unlock your iPhone 12 mini, check to see if Bluetooth is enabled, and now physically place your AirPods case near the iPhone 12 mini. You can even place them on the back. As soon as this is done, as long as you hold the open AirPods case close to your iPhone, there will be an automatic pop-up on screen telling you to set up the AirPods. If this doesn't appear, I'm going to give you manual instructions later, but now if you follow along with this automatic pop-up, you will be able to get the AirPods good to go. So just follow the instructions on screen, it will be connected, and all of the audio being output on the iPhone 12 mini will now go over to the AirPods instead. It's super simple to set up. You just have to open the AirPods case and ensure that they are sufficiently charged when you place the case physically near your iPhone. Like I said, if this pop-up doesn't appear, then all that you have to do is go over to the Bluetooth settings, make sure that it is enabled, and you can press a specific button on your AirPods case. Depending on the generation, this might be different. But you just press and hold that specific button, and upon doing this for a few seconds, it's going to go into pairing mode. It's going to become a standard Bluetooth device, and you will be able to find it under the list of available devices on your iPhone 12 mini or any other model. Depending on the AirPods that you have, it is even going to work with Android devices. So you just choose it from the Bluetooth devices list, and immediately upon doing this, you can easily listen to all of the audio being output on the iPhone through the AirPods. And you don't have to repeat this every single time. Once the connection is established once, you will always be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods to iPhone 12 mini. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.